All right, we got a 2022 model Salem. We call it the Alien. It's got that front window, factory solar, 2 awnings, 4-season package. This is a beauty. What a great trailer. Love the floor plan. You know we do free shipping. We fully inspect all the RVs. Look at this. Sofa sleeper, fireplace. That'll keep you warm. Island kitchen. Look at this. I love this little coffee nook over here. But look at this. You get a nice front bedroom with the window. Look at that. You get a closet, 2 ACs. Ooh. And then look at this bathroom. This is super nice trailer.